Today I'll tell you about the order of writing a query and order of executing a query. Both these things are different. So let's start. So now I'm telling you order of writing a query. So first we will write our select clause from where I want to select. So I'm using my worker table and want to select everything. So I'm using select star from my worker table. From worker. By executing this statement, you can see that I'll get everything that is inside my worker table. After that, we will use where clause. So where, if I want to give some condition. So I want to give a condition where worker ID is smaller than 15. Then I have given this condition. If I run it, you can see that all those whose ID is smaller than 15, I get their worker ID. And then after that, we use group by clause. Group by, I want to group by with the help of let's say for that, as you guys know, we use group by when we want to write, when we have written something here. Like for example, if I written a aggregate thing. So for that, I am writing an aggregate function where sum of salary. Then only we can use group by, right? So all these things except this aggregate function is written in my group by. So except, so I want it with the help of my worker ID, comma, first name, then my last name, then my salary, joining date, and my department. So if I'll run it, let's see what I'll get. So I get the sum of salary here. And let's give it a alias. So I want to give it as a sum of salary. And now if I run it, okay, so I have forgot to put it here. Now if I run it, you can see I got these are all grouped by. Then we will use having clause if I want to do filtering with the help of any aggregate function where sum of salary is greater than, let's write it, it's greater than 30,000. So if I run it, so I got all the things that are greater than 30,000. And then we will use order by. If I put one more zero, you can see all those whose salary, sum of salary is greater than 3 lakhs will be done. And then I want to do order by my first name. So I want to order by my first name in descending order. That's why I'm using descending. So if you run it, you can see that first name is ordered in descending order. So what the order of writing a query? So the order of writing a query is, first we will use a select clause. Then after that you will use from. Then after that where. Then group by. Then having. Order by. And that's all about the order of writing a query. But this is not order of executing a query. Your query will not execute it in this form. How it will be executed, let me tell you. So first, from statement will run. After that, let me write it here, executing So first from statement will run. After that where statement will run. Then group by. Then having. After that your select statement will run. And then your order by. Now you will ask me how will I get to know whether it is executing in this form or not. So as I said, first your from statement will run. Your select statement will run after having, right? So I have given a alias here, sum of salary. Can I use sum of salary in my where clause? If I use sum of salary here, will it run? Will it give me an answer? No, it will not give me an answer. Why it will not give me an answer? Because first my where clause will run. It will not give me an answer. It will give me an error. Invalid column name sum of salary. Cause my select clause is running after my having clause. That's why. You must be asking that my sum of salary column is an aggregate, so I should put it in heaven. You guys must be thinking that. But no, select statement will run after my having. That's why invalid column name sum of salary will come. And whereas if I put my sum of salary in my order by, it will run. Because my order by statement will run after my select statement. You can see it is running. So here you can see first my from statement will run, then my where, then my group by, then my having, and then select. So as you can see, I have given alias in my select. So it only can work in my group's order by statement. Because my order by statement will run after my select statement. That's why. So that's all about order of executing and writing a query. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.